canines on set right now, Chris, and you can hear them there in the background.
Yes.
So we're going to be talking to them here in just a moment and how you can help raise some money for canines who help our police in Arapahoe County.
Absolutely. But first, we need to take a look at the weather.
Yes, we do.
All right. Well, let's look outside. We have clearing skies. You know, we had that quick moving storm that rolled through here yesterday. Brought that heavy mountain snow. We had a quick burst of rain in some areas last night. That's moving off, and we'll see some clearing conditions underway. We're in the 20s and 30s on the eastern plains, 40s on parts of the I-25 corridor, teens in the high country with 20s and 30s on the western slope. Our weather watcher John in Northwest Evergreen, 26 up at Shelby's house outside of Fort Collins on the northwest side, 35 degrees. Still dealing with the wind. We have a high wind warning, Front Range foothills. This goes through noon today. Some of those gusts near 60 at times, and it is a windy morning. If you have yet to step outside, you will notice it when you do. Boulder on up through Fort Collins, some of the strongest winds at this point. We have a pocket out here near DIA. Northeastern plains, you're windy, you're closest to the departing low pressure, and we still have some wind over the higher terrain along and east of the Continental Divide. Here's the low that rolled through here last night. As it moves away, we'll see our winds decrease. Then our attention is going to turn to this low coming into California. Two things I want to talk about. If this takes a southern trek, it'll largely miss Colorado, but there is one model that brings it through here Tuesday with a potential for heavy snow. So this is something we want to pay attention as we go through the next couple of days for you. For this morning, radar is fairly quiet. We are going to see a few scattered snow showers off and on today, tonight, and tomorrow in the high country, but it's just that scattered snow. Most of the state should stay on the dry side. We are still very worried about avalanche danger. This is a warning. All the areas in blue, level 4 out of 5 on the 5-point avalanche scale. And get this, first 7 days of March, 346 avalanches reported in our state. Just an incredible weather cycle we are in the high country. 40s in the northeast, 50s in those 60s in the southeast today, 20s in the high country, and 30s and 40s on the western slope. Will be about 45 or so in Denver. Don't forget to put those clocks forward 1 hour tonight. We stay in the 40s all weekend, windy today, dry though, 50 Monday, Joel 55 Tuesday, and then we'll be watching that next storm. And again, it's 4 days out, but it has potential to bring snow. We'll keep you posted.
Of course, you'll be tracking that, and don't forget to set your clocks ahead an hour.
Right.
You'll be late to everything
We'll
an hour.
be sleepy tomorrow.
We are going to be sleepy. Hey, some of the hardest work